Alright, so here I am hands-on with the 3AXL, or the Axel as I called it. I also got to take a look at the 3A. Initial impressions on it, it looks good, it's balanced, the screen is fantastic. I really didn't expect it to be that nice, and you'll see here in a minute when I get to the other phone, this one's not turned on, but the display was really surprising. And with the OLED, the full 1080p plus resolution, I believe the 3A actually has a higher PPI ratio, pixel per inch, than the Axel does. I think it's like 460 to like 410, something like that, but not get down in the weeds. The screen looks really nice. The experience is very much stock, just like any other Google. So if you've used a 3, if you've used a 3XL, if you've used a 2, they're all the same. They're all stock. They have very few apps on them. I even pull up the app drawer here in a minute and you can see that. So the camera's spot on. From what I've seen, everyone's giving it rave reviews. Hopefully I'll have mine tomorrow or the next day, but I wanted to venture out and go look at it and get my hands on it today. You can see the finish there. It looks very much like the 3 and the 3XL. Instead of frosted glass, it is, all intents and purposes, plastic. It's polycarbonate, but that's perfectly fine. And people are saying that it feels light and cheap, and I really don't feel like it was light or cheap. I mean, it feels very much like the regular Pixel to me. It may not be as cold because it's not glass, but with the polycarbonate, the plastic finish and everything on it, I don't feel like it cheapens the experience or makes it feel like less of a phone. And really, I don't think there's much of a weight difference at all, but everything, at least, putting my hands on it and checking the phone out, I was very impressed. It's got the Snapdragon 670 in it, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 3,000 to 3,700 milliamps of battery, respectively. It should last pretty much for forever. But overall, I really like it. The screen's impressive. It's balanced. It feels and looks like a Pixel. So that's pretty much all I've got for my hands-on impression. But if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you and answer them as best as I can. But overall, spot on, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in.